Good morning everyone. My topic for the presentation is Introduction to Microcontroller. A microcontroller is a small computer on a chip that controls electronic devices by processing inputs and providing outputs. Some key features of a microcontroller are these are small and require low power and are cost effective. These are used in embedded system and perform dedicated functions only. These reduce hardware complexity by integrating multiple components. Microcontrollers are a significant part in an embedded system. These are used in smartphones, washing machines, cars, etc. Microcontrollers are very efficient as these contain many components other than the processing unit and are versatile to be used in many fields like healthcare. A microcontroller is different from a microprocessor. Microcontroller controls specific embedded tasks, whereas a microprocessor can only be used for general purpose computing. A microcontroller comprises of multiple components like CPU, RAM, ROM, input and output ports and timers, and it requires low power. Whereas in a microprocessor, it only comprises of CPU and requires external components to be connected to it, and it requires high power consumption. Architecture of a microcontroller. Microcontroller consists of many smaller components in it which are required for the working of the system. They are CPU, process information, memory to store code and data, input and output ports to connect sensors, actuators and peripherals, timers and counters to control timing operations, communication interface to connect to other devices, ADC and DCA to read sensor data. This is an image showing the elements that are integrated within the microcontroller. Since all these are contained inside it, it doesn't require other external devices to be connected. And this is also the reason why these are used in most of the embedded systems we see today. Types of microcontrollers based on bit size. 8-bit MCUs for simple applications like Arduino. 16-bit MCUs for better performance in automotive systems and industrial automation. 32-bit MCUs used for advanced applications like IoT and AI. Advantages and disadvantages of microcontrollers. Advantages. These are low cost and effective for embedded systems and require fewer external components and can be operated for real-time applications, whereas these have limited processing power as compared to microprocessors and have less memory and storage and are dedicated to perform specific tasks only. With advancements in AI, IoT and low power computing, MCUs will continue to shape the future of technology. Thank you.